Hey, hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to Learning with Ray. Today we'll be learning how to navigate Ubuntu operating system. To begin with, Linux isn't scary to use. Just like Windows and Mac OS, even Ubuntu has a graphical user interface. A graphical user interface means simply that you have icons you can click on. You can use it just like any popular operating system for daily activities, such as browsing the web, check emails, edit and view documents, and so much more. But today we won't be learning how to download and install applications. Instead, we'll be learning what the terminal is and how to use it. Learning how to use the terminal comfortably makes you a power user, and it grants you greater control over your computer processes. In this video, let's just begin with the basics. To begin with, how do you open the terminal? Well, there are two ways to open the terminal. One way is by pressing the Show Applications icon and selecting the terminal. If you can't find it, use the search bar. Once you click the terminal icon, it pops up on your screen. Now there is another way. This is a simpler method. You can press Ctrl Alt T buttons. If you're using a MacBook, press Command Alt T buttons on your keyboard and the terminal pops up on your screen. Now we need to learn two things before learning about the terminal commands. The terminal and the shell. The terminal is just a graphical interface to the shell. The shell is the one who actually handles the commands you type on the terminal. Shell interprets the commands given, and the terminal allows you to type commands for the shell. To put it simply, you use the terminal to give commands to the shell, and the shell is the one who interprets or understands the commands given and processes it for you. You use the terminal to interact with the shell, and the shell gets the job done. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the terminal and the shell, let's learn a few simple commands. The date command is one of the simplest terminal commands. If you want to view today's date, you just have to type date and hit enter, and the terminal will show you today's date. Now I want you to keep in mind that Linux is case sensitive. Now if we were to try typing date with a capital D and hit enter, it simply won't work. Most of the commands issued in Linux, the terminal commands, they're all lowercase letters. So whenever you're giving out commands, make sure they're all in lowercase, unless specified otherwise. Now let's learn about the cal command. The cal command allows you to view the calendar of the current month. Simply type cal and hit enter, and the terminal will display the current month's calendar. But what if I wanted to see the calendar of the previous month, this month, and upcoming months? To do that, I can simply type cal and add an attribute -3 and hit enter. And now we get the calendar of the previous month, this month, and the upcoming month. But now what if we wanted to see the calendar of the current year? To do that, we need to add the attribute -y to the cal command. Type cal space -y and hit enter to view the current year's calendar. Be sure to add a space between the cal and the attribute. If we wanted to see the calendar of a specific year, then we mention the year after typing cal. Let's say I wanted to view the calendar of the year 2023. To do that, we can type cal space 2023 and hit enter. This is the calendar of the year 2023. You can also view the calendar of a specific month of a specified year. Let's say I want to look at the calendar of March 1999. To do that, I can type cal, specify the month's number, and then the year, 1999, and hit enter. And now we have the calendar of March 1999. After typing all these commands, now the terminal screen is a mess. Well, it would have been convenient if there was a way to clear all of this, right? Well, we do have a way to clear all of this. Simply type clear and hit enter, and now your terminal's clean. You can also clear the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus L keys on your command or Command plus L keys. That's a simpler way to clear your terminal. Now last but not the least, there's one final command we need to learn, the exit command. Simply type exit and hit enter, and the terminal is closed. In the next video, we'll be learning about the file system and how to navigate it. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.